एक सवेरे गांधी जी अपने काम के लिए बाहर जा रहे थे। उसी वक्त एक वाक्य हुआ। गांधी जी ने कस्तूरबा बा से पूछा, अरे ये मेरी चप्पल कहाँ गई? उन्होंने जवाब दिया, कल ही तो टूट गई थी, भूल गए? सिलाई मारने दी है। गांधी जी ने पूछा, उसकी कोई मजदूरी ठहराई या ऐसे ही देके चली आई? वे बोले, 8 आने ठहराई है बापू। 8 आने? ना मैं कमाता हूं ना तुम कमाती हो, 8 आने कहां से लाएंगे भला? जब मोची की मुलाकात बापू से हुई तो बापू बोले कि भाई ये तुम्हारी कला मुझे भी सिखा दो ताकि मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह महान बन सकूं। I would like to ask you all one simple question. Do you go through life troubling over your belongings and with your head full of things to do? If so, then it's time to you to learn some lessons in leading a simple life from the ultimate minimalist. Yes, today I'm going to share the 5 key lessons in simplicity from Gandhiji, which will definitely help you in today's time. So let's begin. The very first is accumulate little. I remember when Bapu died, he had less than 10 possessions, including a watch, a spectacle, and a pair of sandals, and an eating bowl. He was a man of non-possession and didn't even possess a house. Of course, it may not be possible these days for us to get down to less than 10 possessions like Gandhiji did. But start cutting down to bare basics. Recycle. Give things away or auction your unwanted possessions. And in today's time, we can even sell it online. आप कोई भी 20 से 25 चीजों को इकट्ठा करो और कोशिश करो कि आप उनमें से कम चीज अपने पास रख सको। शायद 20 से कम या फिर 15 से कम। टेक इट एज अ 25 थिंग्स चैलेंज। फिर देखो, जिन चीजों को संभालने में या फिर उनका उपयोग करने में आप जितना समय देते थे, आप जितनी एनर्जी वेस्ट करते थे, उनके मुकाबले जितनी कम चीजें आपके पास रहेगी, उतनी कम आपकी एनर्जी जाएगी, उतना कम आपका समय जाएगा उन चीजों पर। आपकी जिंदगी और सिंपल हो जाएगी। Your life will just get easier and simple. Let's come on to our second aspect. Eat simple food. जैसे कि हम सब ने बापू के फोटोज देखे होंगे, पिक्चर्स देखे होंगे। बापू never had a problem with being overweight. He followed a strict vegetarian diet and frequently cooked his own simple food, which was locally produced. He ate his simple food from a simple bowl. A reminder to eat moderately, and at the same time he ate mindfully, often accompanied by prayers. So eat simply and moderately. And yes, try to cook your own food. Let's come to our third aspect, dress simply. मैं फिर से जिक्र करूंगा बापू के फोटोज का, पिक्चर्स का, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज का, जो भी उनके ऊपर फिल्म्स बनी। हमने बापू को सिर्फ एक कपड़े में देखा, सेम कपड़े में देखा। He never wore suits or pant or shirts. Why? Bapu wore simple clothes that conveyed his message. I would like to share this anecdotal story of the time when Gandhiji met the King of Great Britain in London, and he wore his simple wrap-around cloth. A journalist asked, Mr. Gandhi, did you feel underdressed when you met the king? Bapu replied, the king was wearing enough clothes for both of us. हालांकि अभी की जिंदगी में खुद के कपड़े खुद से सिलना पॉसिबल नहीं है, जैसे बापू करते थे, पर हम एटलीस्ट ऐसे कपड़े पहने जो खुद को कंफर्ट दे, ना कि दूसरों को इंप्रेस करने के लिए, राइट? लेट्स कम टू आवर fourth aspect. Lead a simple, stress-free life. Bapu never got stressed. He meditated daily and spent hours in reflection and prayers. Though he was a world leader and idolized by millions, he continued to lead a simple life with a few distractions and commitments. Just because he was focused. He would even interrupt his political meetings to go off and play with children. So don't take life too seriously. Remember to take time out to play. आजकल की जिंदगी में हम लोग इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं हमारे काम में, हमारे बिजनेस में, कि हम हमारे बच्चे, हमारी फैमिली को भूल जाते हैं, जिनके साथ हमें सबसे ज्यादा समय बिताना चाहिए। हम उनके साथ सबसे कम समय बिताते हैं आज। And last but not least, let your life be your message. Though he was a prolific writer and a powerful speaker in private, Gandhiji spoke very quietly and only when necessary. He was also very punchy and concise in his writing. He preferred to let his life do the talking for him. There is very famous saying by Gandhiji, "Be the change you want to see in the world before it's too late." By living a simple life, Gandhiji was able to devote his life to his chosen higher purpose. He was totally focused on his commitments to his people and the world. Even if you don't wish to be another Gandhi, your life will be much simpler and happier by just following his lessons. Start living a simple life from today, and you will release a lot of tension and energy. This will give you the space to create the life you really want to live. A life that is inspired and inspiring. That's it from my side today. Thank you for listening to Bapu Podcast.